Okay, truck crawler race. So this is the track for the crawler race. We kind of made it a little bit smaller, but they got to do a lot of zigzags. You guys ready? This is a knockout race. Best, you got to do 3 laps and you count for when you get here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, guys? On go. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh. I had a bug on my thumb. That's your third one, I think. Go, Dan, go get it yourself. Okay. Third lap, that's it. This is going to be for the champ, so you guys got to punch it. Are you guys ready to punch it?
Yes.
Oh, he's shaking. Look at that. He's scared. He's scared. Okay, on go. 1, 2, 3, go. They both punched it. Whoa, on 2 wheels. Oh, battle. I'm not sure. Was that your second or third? Do 1 more lap. He tried to hit him. And that's it. We have a winner. Congrats.
Good race, buddy. That was awesome.
Here we go. The first crawler race. And we had a knockout. Good job.
Thank you.